How to automatically save Instagram stories to your phone. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I will show you how you can save your Instagram stories that you post automatically to your mobile phone, to your gallery. So simply open up the Instagram application on your mobile phone. Once you have it, then what you have to do is simply go to your profile right here. So once you are on your profile, you can click on these three lines that are shown at the top of your screen. It opens up the menu for you, and we have to go to settings. Once you are in settings, simply go to privacy. And in privacy, you will find the option of story right here. Click on story and then scroll down. You will find the option of save story to gallery. If you slide it to the right, then your Instagram stories will be automatically saved to your phone's gallery. Now, every time I post a story, it will be saved to my gallery because I have enabled this option from here. If you want to disable it, then you can simply go ahead and do that too. But this is how you will simply go ahead and save your Instagram stories automatically to your phone's gallery. So yeah guys, if I were a big help, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.